If you have what would be considered a problem rental or a rental property that you're looking to sell and not have to deal with all the headaches that come with a traditional sale, with all these different inspections and appraisals and everything like that, this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Payerchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses all over Columbus, Ohio, all over Central Ohio, and all over the great state of Ohio. And a very common scenario that we see is people who own a rental property. It's occupied either by a tenant or maybe a family member, or maybe even sometimes there's squatters living in these properties. If it's a problem tenant, you don't need to worry about anything. You don't need to deal with any evictions. You don't even need to have any awkward conversations with the residents that are living there, because when we buy properties that are rented out or occupied, we're going to keep it very simple. We're a true cash buyer, and we buy the house in its as-is condition. That means no foot traffic. We're not sending through a formal inspection. We're not looking to ruffle the feathers of the people that are living there. We want to keep it easy for you and keep it easy for the person that's living there. If it's a problem tenant and there's an eviction that needs to happen, you don't need to evict the person or do anything before selling to us. We'll close with you. You can wash your hands of the property. You're going to get a fair price. We will take on everything. We have managed hundreds and hundreds of properties. We know exactly how to do this. We know what we're doing. We make it good for everybody, but most importantly for you, there's nothing that you need to do. We'll buy the house in its as-is condition, and you don't have to deal with this problem rental anymore. You don't got to fix anything, you don't got to clean anything, or you don't got to haul anything away. So if you have a problem rental and you're ready to sell the property for a fair price and keep it extremely easy for yourself, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And by the way, when we talk, it's an easy conversation. We're local. This is not a sales tactics or gimmicks or games. We're not going to put any pressure here. We just need to know more information on the house and know more information on when you're looking to close so we can accommodate your needs. From there, we'll make you a fair cash offer on the house. And if our offer works for you, great. We'll get this thing done and get it moving, just like we've worked with hundreds and hundreds of people. We have tons of reviews and testimonials for you to check out. But if our offer doesn't work for you, no crime, no foul. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends and move on. There's not going to be a bad taste in your mouth or anything like that. And there's no obligations to call us and at least just see what we can do. And if you're more comfortable going online, you can fill out a little form online and we'll set up a time to talk, but there's no pressure at all. We'll at least let you know what we can do. If it's a good fit, great. If not, that's okay too. So if you have a problem rental and you want to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Payerchin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.